Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use night mode for low light photos using your iPhone. So first of all, let's launch camera on your iPhone, and now you will see icon with moon. So that is your night mode. So it's off right now, but let's enable it. And let's press and hold it to expose different options. So you can set it to auto or you can set maximum. On your iPhone, you will have night mode enabled automatically in dark environment, and you will understand that it's enabled because you will see here a yellow icon in the top right where night mode is located. And very important to note that you have to hold your camera steady to avoid blurry and shaky photos, because this night mode takes longer exposures. Okay, and that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.